Most people moving to Las Cruces, New Mexico are looking for space, for hobbies, equipment, a lifestyle that is more quiet than large cities. Well, this is the property for you. Don't leave. We have a 5,000 square foot shop and a house with a lot of pecan trees. So let's go look at this beautiful house right now. Now it does include a 5,000 square foot shop with all the utilities needed. You'll see right now. And then it comes with this beautiful home right here in this stunning, beautiful area of Las Cruces. Now, this is really not Las Cruces. This is a town called Rincon, New Mexico, which you're about maybe from Las Cruces, a 20-minute drive, let's just say. So let's go inside. Now, this does come with an irrigation well and a lot of flexibility for the new owners. Here we go. So as soon as we come in, we see the living room, right? Nice little fireplace. And then you can go either that way to the dining or this way. Let's just go this way to the dining. Now it is located in Rincon, New Mexico, and this property does offer a balance for many people relocating and searching for areas further out from the city. Well, this is a very nice property. Wide open views, room to spread out, a quieter pace of life, right? Who doesn't enjoy a quieter pace of life? Now this property is very different. It's not located in a large area. Las Cruces is a small city anyways. It is the closest one. You have Hatch, New Mexico. If you've never heard of Hatch, New Mexico, that's the chili capital of the world. Well, I can't really say that, but you know, they grow a lot of green chili there. But anyways, let's continue with the tour. So this is the bathroom. It is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. This is the bathroom here. And it does come with 2 bedrooms. So if you're a buyer leaving a very populated area and you want just more peace and quiet, hey guys, then this is the time you need to reach out to us. Give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. It's like buying a farm, this for an incredible price. Remember, you're on more than 5 acres of land here. So this is a new carpet. You do have original hardwood floors. And this room could be just an extra bedroom, right? There's 2 rooms. You can pick one, or you need them both. Hey, have at them both. So let's continue seeing. This is the laundry room here. So the property does include an electric well. It's actually a huge electric well. It's part of it. It's a massive 5,000 square foot barn. There it is. We're going to go into it. I love this patio deck here, just so you guys can see where we're at. And then those pine trees, I'll take you guys back there. Still part of the property. Remember, you're on more than 5 acres. Lots of pecan trees. Now, if you like the outdoor living, then this is it here. Put a grill, a spa. I don't know. You guys tell me what you guys would put there. Now, this is where I tell you, please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe below. This is a very unique property, and we do have a lot of those here, a little outside of Las Cruces, New Mexico. So a lot of area. You can put a lot of equipment out here. For buyers interested in maintaining, landscaping, and supporting agriculture activities, then this is the home for you. All this comes with it, all this land. It goes all the way to those trees over there. The property line is over there. Why don't we go into the really nice feature about this 5,000 square foot shop here. And I like this because as soon as we come in, there is a bathroom. This is a functional working bathroom. It is a shop, but it has everything you possibly need. Now this door here looks like that one time they were using it to store wine here. I mean, you can use it to store whatever you like. And then I like that it has this big room on this side. And then it has another one about the same size over here on this side in the Cantina Juarez. This is looks like the billiard room, right? Be nice just to hang out here, play some pool, have all the friends over. And then what would you do with this massive 5,000 square foot shop? I mean, look at the size of this shop. How many? I don't know. I'll tell you what I would use it for. I put like 3 lifts in here to work on the cars. You know, you guys know I love to work on cars. That would be beautiful. I mean, look at that truck. That truck is a long bed Chevy, and it's there, and you still have a lot more space, so you can easily fit. If there were smaller cars, 3 cars. I mean, guys, it's just huge. It has its own electrical box, which is good too. So this massive 5,000 square foot barn includes 3 roll-up doors, has its own dedicated electric service. So whether you're a professional and you want a workshop, or you're just a car enthusiast like I am, then there you go. And then look at this. Yep, I went up the stairs and boom, here we are. Another hangout spot. It's already insulated, the building too, which is great. If you want everything organized, you have all the space you need to be organized here. I mean, the good thing is that if you wanted to even make this a house, what's stopping you, right? Make some rooms over there, add some air conditioning, some mini splits would do good. But you have just so much space to do whatever you like with this area. Hey guys, if you guys like what you see, please comment. Tell me in the comments if you like the property. Why don't we go outside and really walk this really large piece of land? Here's a roll-up doors, right? And then all these are pecan trees. You do have other kind of fruit trees on this side, which I like. This side has, I don't know what, I think these are apples. Yeah, these are apples here. So you have fruit trees. Oh, I can see some apples already, pears. Man. So this is all included, guys. If you guys want your own, fruit trees, here it is. What are those? Let's go in here. Those are pears. Yep, you got pears there. Oh, look at that. Your own pear tree right here. Let me zoom in on the pears. See that? Those are pears, y'all. These are apples. That's the apple tree. Right there, apples. And then you have a vineyard over here. The land comes all the way over here, guys. So much land What would you do with all this land? You have another electrical power pole over there. Let me zoom in. Right there's a power pole in the land. So you have a lot of mature trees. You pretty much get a what is this, a pecan orchard? I don't know, orchard are for apples, right? So let me know. But this is an area where they grow a lot of pecans. So there's, remember, 5 acres, and I'm just showing you a little bit, but I'm gonna walk out there. I'm gonna walk in the field in between all the trees so you guys can see how much land there actually is. So the land extends all the way over there. So it does have a durable metal roof, which is fantastic. The irrigation well is over here. There's the actual house, you guys can see. There's the irrigation well right over there with their other power pole. So it's on its own well system. And then all this pecan trees. I'm not gonna go all the way, but you guys get the point. It comes with more than 5 acres of land, house, 5,000 square foot barn. It's past that green. So if you've been searching for a property, not just a home, not just so you can just call it home, because this will be home, right? But this property does deserve your attention. You can live very comfortable out here. You're not too far away. You have a 5,000 square foot barn. Fantastic. I mean, what's the lifestyle that you're looking for? Do you want to store your toys? Do you love just working on stuff? Then that's what this property has to offer. Not only that, but you get all these pecan trees with it, right? Tell you what, you can make all the pecan pies you want. Hey guys, so don't lose out on this property. If you're looking for a quieter place, then you found it. Give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. And I know it means nothing to you, but please subscribe, help us grow the channel. And thank you all for watching. I'm gonna drive around on our way out, that way you guys can see a little bit. But if there's any questions, please give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. If you wanna explore different possibilities that you have out here in Las Cruces, New Mexico, give us a call, send us a text, or shoot us an email. We'll see you on the next video.